Is your bathroom in need of a serious refresh? Here is what's included in the cleaning service for bathrooms with SPIC and SPAN home and office cleaning, designed to leave the space spotless, sanitized, and sparkling. First, the toilet is thoroughly washed and sanitized with all stains removed and surfaces disinfected. Next, the shower and the tub are cleaned to eliminate soap scum, mildew, and grime, leaving them fresh and gleaming. The sink and faucets are scrubbed and polished for a bright and clean finish. All mirrors and glass surfaces are wiped down for a crystal clear shine. Finally, floor surfaces are cleaned thoroughly, ensuring every inch is sanitized and safe. All of this is included in the cleaning service, unless specific instructions are provided to adjust the scope.